Dooley's attorneys thought that they would be preparing for his second murder trial right now, but prosecutors threw them a curve.
They're pushing back and asking a judge to dismiss the new sex charges that date back to allegations from 14 years ago. Local 12's Joe Webb has been following the story and joins us with the latest developments. Joe?
Well, Rob, last week we told you about David Dooley's new charges: use of a minor in a sexual performance and possession of matter portraying a sexual performance by a minor. Dooley's attorneys claim the new indictment is not about justice, but about tainting a jury pool prior to his new trial for the murder of Michelle Mockbee. David Dooley's attorneys fought back with a two-pronged approach to getting the new charges thrown out. First, they claim the Attorney General's office, who sought the indictment, has no jurisdiction. They also claim it's a vindictive prosecution. They point out the allegation is 14 years old, has been looked at before, and nothing done. But when Dooley's murder conviction was overturned in 2017, it gained interest. The filing has an excerpt of grand jury testimony where an assistant attorney general asks a sheriff's deputy, quote, "Okay, when the substantial prison sentence was no longer necessarily reality, the family decided to go forward again." She answers, "Correct."
The testimony to the grand jury by the detective in the case is clear that they brought it because Mr. Dooley exercised his constitutional rights to a new trial, and that's improper. And so that's why we filed the motion.
The filing also questions the allegation itself. In a 2012 email with lead detective Bruce McVeigh, the 14-year-old girl's mother says, quote, "She has no memory of any negative or inappropriate actions toward her."
And then there was another recorded interview from 2012 where she says that she was there, and it simply isn't true.
The attorneys also argue that the alleged child pornography charge is a stretch. Investigators found one cache file of one thumbnail image. In the filing, attorneys describe it as an alleged file of child pornography not created or saved by David Dooley or anyone else, but rather by Windows itself. Now, what upsets the attorneys the most is the timing of this indictment. David Dooley will be in court on these new charges October 3rd. Cammie?
All right, Joe Webb, thank you. Dooley was convicted of Michelle Mockbee's murder in 2014. That conviction was overturned after questions were raised about the prosecutor's relationship with the lead detective and how evidence was shared in the case. Dooley's second murder trial is set for February of 2019.